Welcome everybody, and in this lecture we will discuss about what to do after CMA examinations are over. Many of you wrote exams awesome, very well. You have put in lot of effort and definitely that will give you great results. But exams are over, 1 week is also over. Now it's the time to again get back. I'm not saying that you should start studying. I'm not saying that you should only enjoy. I'm saying that do whatever in a planned way. So, considering the circumstances of students, right, what to do, I will share certain suggestions. Whether it is articleship, whether it is job, whether it is something like doing certain courses, whether it is further studies, whether it is anything, I'll discuss in this video from different students perspective after giving counseling to many. Okay, so let's start. A first thing, what happens if you have written both groups and you are super confident that I am going to clear? This is the time where you have to find articleship in the best firm possible, right? And practical aspects of taxation, GST, and your corporate laws, right? Auditing, right? Costing, you have to learn, right? When you learn, go to final, this definitely will help you. When you go for job interviews, this really helps a lot because you develop the culture of working in an organization. That's very important. Now the question comes that where should I go for articleship? If I do job in a company, that is also considered articleship. If I go to a firm, that is also considered articleship. If I go to a government organization as a trainee, that is also considered articleship. So what should I do? The simple answer is, if you have an entrepreneurial mind that I want to become an entrepreneur, I want to set up my own practice, I want to become a consultant tomorrow giving suggestions to companies, then go to a CMA firm where audit is there. They got tax, income tax, GST, corporate law related compliance, every firm will have. But having audit assignments like cost audit is there, that is very important. Okay, and if the firm has CA plus CMA and you are going for financial audit also, no problem. You will understand the organization from holistic perspective, right? How their production operations, right? Production, accounting, internal audit, operations, everything, marketing, all that you will be able to observe and understand by doing the audit, and that's what very important. Okay, but if you have certain financial difficulties and you have already completed your graduation, then think about joining a company, preferably a MNC. And when I'm talking about MNC, even Reliance Tatas are also MNCs. Okay, try to join such big firms. Even if you can think of Accenture is there, right? Internationally known companies and our Indian companies who have multinational presence. Try to do training in that. Okay, get a job in such firms, such companies, and keep that experience certificate. That to do, right? And your financial needs will also be resolved. But suppose your dream is to get into a government organization later on, and you want to get a feel that how government organizations work. So you can go to the CMA Institute's website, check what are the public sector companies like NMDC is there, Power Grid is there, right? You can see BHEL is there, ONGC is there, ECIL is there. So many Navaratnas are there. These companies give articleship to students. 15 months, 1.5 year training they give. But they issue notifications, so you have to be updated with that, right? You can join them only after passing your CMA inter, right? These are all the things you have to check in, but that really gives you a confidence about working in government organizations and later on preparing for government jobs with CMA. That actually gives a corporate exposure with government security. That's what PSUs are known for in simple language today. Okay, and finally, I'll tell you that when you are applying for articleship to a firm or internship in a company or job in a company, please write a proper mail. Don't write that I seek articleship in your firm, so I am attaching my resume and send Word document. Unprofessional, right? So please share your PDF resume, not Word, first thing. And when you write your email also, in your email also you highlight your strengths. First write about yourself in your own language in a Word document, in a story format, then put it in ChatGPT and write a prompt that arrange the same in a professional manner, as if your name, whoever is the candidate, your name is explaining in an email for job interview. Such prompt you give and you will get some wonderful suggestions. You can edit your prompts according to the requirements and prepare the best format and then attach, paste it in email. Finally, attach a proper PDF. Learn about resume writing, right? Even if you are applying for articleship, it's not a job full time, but still articleship also. Learn resume writing. Do watch certain videos on YouTube if required, do some courses, but write it properly. This will really help you for future after completing your CMA, right? And do prepare for interviews a lot, right? And now all of you understood how to prepare for articleship or job and all. Now I'll share you that if suppose you have to wait till results, you don't want to do anything till results, or you joined a firm but you want to do certain additional courses. In both the cases, I would suggest that there are many complementary courses which help a CMA to boost his profile. CMA Institute anyhow is teaching SAP to you, but the knowledge what you get is not enough. Certificate is okay, but knowledge is required, right? So knowledge you try to get in SAP. So along with the certificate by institute, that SAP certificate, your knowledge will really complement and will give great opportunities. But alongside that, you can do courses on Power BI, Microsoft Excel, or even financial modeling, or maybe investment banking, or risk management. I'm not telling that do some 1 year long courses or do CPA or CFA, such courses. I'm not talking about. I'm just talking about short duration courses which are offered by Coursera or MIT Online or Swayam, which is a government portal. So when I am talking about MIT Online, it is world's #1 university. If you have to pay some money also for that courses, you are going to get a certificate from world's #1 university by paying just 10-20,000 odd money, right? If you do courses on Coursera, you can do it from Cambridge, Harvard, such things. And if you do on Swayam, you can think of doing from IIMs, IITs, right? This really boosts your profile, right? So academic, professionally you did CMA, but academic institution, top notch institution professors taught you, that interviewer will feel. So that's why I said that complementary courses are always good. And there is a course on Swayam, SWAYAM. It is on strategic management or corporate strategy by IIM Bangalore. Whenever this course comes na, do it. That really will give you a lot of knowledge and also boost your profile for future management positions. Okay, now those students who just wrote one group and have to prepare for the second one, or those who are okay, I'll tell about this first. So till September 17th, I would suggest you complete your preparation for the balance group. The purpose is very clear, because if you complete by September 17th, when the results come, if success is there, then you will have a lot of time to revise and prepare for the balance group. If suppose unfortunately you fail, then you have only one thing, that you have to write both groups and the second group preparation is done. So from September 17 till exams, you will only be revising both groups planning for a rank, and that's very important. And those students who did not write the exams well, hey, last time it's gone, this time it should not. So pull up your socks and start preparing hard for that. Okay, so these are all the suggestions from many perspectives, many aspects which actually students asked me for. Hey, some students are asking me, should I do also CA along with CMA? Suggestion is, don't do any additional Indian professional course along with CMA. Once you complete your CMA, simply do certain international courses, right? Like SEMA is there, SEMA UK is there, or ACCA is there, or you can even think of doing CPA. So do something after completing CMA, and that too it should be international course, right? That really will boost your profile. So no other additional courses. I will do CS, I'll do CA. Array, unnecessarily focusing on additional professional course is not worth it. Improve your communication skills, improve your computer skills, improve or work on latest technologies like AI is there, how a finance professional can use it. All these are very important, not additional professional courses, right? Because all seem similar, so that's why I said no. No other reason. Okay, with this I conclude this discussion, and any doubts are there, you can comment below, I'll be happy to answer. And one more thing, do subscribe to the channel, like the videos, and share with every friend of yours so that they will also be benefited. Take care, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care.